Good morning, y'all. LA Appliance Guy here. This morning we got in 9 appliances from our contractors we buy from, and then that's on top of the repairs for customers. So it's going to be a busy, short week, Thanksgiving week. But Maytag, we got in this Maytag, and it's a nice, pretty machine. Let's see what the rods. Suspension's tight. I don't hear any roar. Let's see what codes it throws. We got to put it into diagnostic mode and check the codes. This thing can't be very old, but it doesn't have the 10-year warranty sign, so there's the problem. Left, right, 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 left, right. Left, right, 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 left, right. Okay, now we're in the flash mode. One click to done is codes. Hit start. That's not a code. You have to turn it one time. That's an F7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F7E1. F7E1. That's the tachometer speed sensor. So we need to do the tach test. Yep. FOEO. Nothing else. Now with all of them lit, you clear it by holding it. Okay, back into the diagnostic mode. Left, right, 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 left, right. Left, right, 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 left, right. All right, now we're in the flash mode. We gotta go all the way to wash and done. That's the tachometer test. Hit start. You'll just see this until you spin the drum. Oh, it's reading it. That's interesting. So that means that the tachometer is reading. Well, let's just look under the bottom and see what the belt and pulleys and splutch looks like. Oh, dang phone's ringing. All right, let's see what we got. We got hair. Oh, it's got one of those weird, what is this? What? It's a dog bone burned into the motor pulley. Wow. I think that's a first for me. What about you? Nyla bone. Okay. Let's get that cover off. All right, so these are 5/16. One on this side. One on the other side. Wow. Well, it shifted into wash. Look at that. The pulley isn't bad. Maybe I could just break that off of there. And then we can check the actuator further. Let's see. It's gonna be hard to get leverage on this thing. Oh, there we go. All right. Could it be that easy? It was making noise. Let's just slap the belt back on. We'll just leave the cover off for now. All right, pause the video for a quick truck rant. I've got a lot of videos on the F7E1s. I just wanted to say it's a very broad, many error. Many things can cause this error, from basket hubs, suspension rods, capacitors, broke wires, stripped pulleys, belts and socks, and dog bones wrapped around the pulley. So you can't just run the code, say it's an F7E1, and throw a tachometer on there. You really need to do the tachometer test, and if it doesn't read the tub when you spin it, great. Then you still have to go down there and make sure that no debris has gotten inside of the gear case area where that sensor is and is blocking the reading of the sensor, because it could still be reading and just be blocked. So pretty crazy one here. But if you're a technician, or if you're just a normal homeowner, and you've found some crazy things attached to the pulleys, let me know in the comments. Truck talk over, back to the video. All right, let's jump the lid and we'll just do an auto test. Left, right, 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 left, right. That's codes. Auto, that's manual, but let's do auto. Let's see. All right, it locked. Now it's gonna test the hot and cold real quick. All right, so here it's gonna fill for 45 seconds. Then it's gonna shift and wash. Let's see what it does. Because F7E1s can also be capacitors. Yeah, so far so good. Then it's going to drain and spin and shift into spin. Drain. Draining good. And then shifter moves to spin and motor spins. All right, we should hear a shift. Oh, I think I heard it. There we go. Ooh. Yep, we'll slap a belt on there too. So far, so good. We'll do the recalibrate and then test it. Well, that was the first one for me. A nyla bone making noise, rubbing the cover. Crazy. Done. Let's load it up. I like these with this little doohickey. Skinny air drum. Regular, warm, no. No second rinse. Sensing fill. Washing good. Man, so I'm out of the belt that we use for these units is the W1063/84, and I am out. So I'm gonna have to try and find a good used belt. This one out in the boneyard has a bad bearings and gear case. See what the belt looks like. Well, it's not grease all over it, so that's good. Hey, there's something. That's a 1063/84 right there. Huh. Oh well, I'll just pull this one off anyway. It's got water in it. Dang, that's got a new splutch on there too. Shoo! Might have to steal that. I didn't realize that November was Men's Health Month or something. That's crazy. So, dudes, if you notice something different, go get checked out. A buddy of mine had skin cancer pop up. It was like a spot on his shoulder. Didn't think nothing of it. And then the doctor noticed it one day, checked it. It was a type of skin cancer. It's crazy. And in my situation, I wasn't in pain. I never knew that I had testicular cancer until my daughter kicked me in the groin. Found out real quick. So if you notice something different, go get checked out. November, Men's Health. Do it. Clean this baby up a little bit. Woo, like brand new. Done. Left, right, 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 left, right. Codes. No codes. This one looks better than this one. Yeah. Alrighty. No, surprisingly. Check it out. All right, just for the heck of it, let's do a recalibrate. Left, right, 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 left, right, left, right, 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 left, right. 2, 3. That is recalibrate. You can't have anything in there. Now to do its stupid stuff. And it's done. Pow. Left, right, 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 left, right, left, right, 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 left, right. No codes. Alrighty. Maytag done. All right, on to the next one. Got a couple of dryers here to fix, but yeah, that was a quick, easy F7E1 code. So it goes to show you it's not always the actuator and the speed sensor. You got to put it into that tachometer test and spin the drum. And then of course, that squeal from the belt. So, quick, easy fix there. Look how it was melted up into the pulley, but it wasn't stripped, so it's good to go. And if you made it all the way through that Maytag video and you want to prove it, you got to put the keyword down in the comments. And the keyword today, since we got a dog bone, is give me a woof woof, or put a dog emoji down in the comments. I don't know, I don't have anything for you. Woof woof. That's the first time I've ever had a dog bone melted into a pulley like that. It's just a weird coincidence that it could get up under there like that. Crazy. And thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. We're on the way to 1,100. It's amazing. Thanks again, y'all. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. This is definitely a weird one. Woof woof.